Guys, guess where we are going?
So we're at the Sandals Royal, right?
Yeah, man, Sandals Royal Caribbean.
Yeah, man. This is the boss taking care of us. And this is our ride to our hotel room, which will be over there.
On a weekend break.
Yeah.
To our right, we have a Thai restaurant. It says Asian cuisine.
Our restaurant on the island as well.
Yeah, that's for dinner.
Okay.
We have cabanas for rentals as well. Private island. We also have a bar.
Okay.
We also have areas you can actually run on the island as well. Including optional beach too.
Alright.
While you're here,
Gym? No, so we don't work out this weekend. No workout this weekend.
There is a gym.
Yeah, there's a gym, alright. This is it. Yes, sir. Yeah, man. Respect.
It's beautiful. Can't wait to enjoy the weekend. You guys haven't even seen half of the place yet, so we definitely have to give you a proper tour. Yeah.
Place wicked, man. Wicked. Can't believe it, Jamaica.
Jamaica, you know, they're surrounded by water.
Yeah.
This side is surrounded by water.
I have life jacket now, Villa.
Big swimmer, man.
Yeah. Assume. Can't see it myself. Probably can't see it my wife too.
Please.
What's up? To you. That look like some wishes, huh?
Alright,
now what is for the bed? Oi. Yo, this wicked man, if we can't jump to it. Yeah, guys, this is. Hey, don't. Yeah, man, this is nice.
You're going back tomorrow?
You me? Yeah, you're staying up here?
Yeah.
I tell you, what a wife. Sell me out. So guys, this is beautiful.
Guys, the suite. I don't think I'm in Jamaica. Obviously, sub 10. You should have put like at the bottom. Mrs.
Queen.
Yeah,
No, from you see something, you know, say king and queen. Isn't it?
And so he said that there's a view at pretty much every angle. So we have a
Bathroom,
yeah.
the shower.
Yeah, shower. But how do you open this?
Let me figure it out.
Yeah, if there's one thing I have to tell my husband, no going to bed at 8 o'clock today, alright? We can have a weekend away from the kids. Don't go to bed. Don't be an old man on me tonight, alright?
old man style. Old man alone.
Look at this, and then you can go out through there. But this,
Yeah.
so you can open all these up.
Can open that and jump off and boom yourself. You don't want to get locked out, you know?
So beautiful. These bungalows are lovely. Oh look, I could just lay out here and just get a nice tan.
Oh yeah.
This place literally reminds me of the Maldives. I went there 2 years ago for work and same vibe. Oh no, look at this. You can lay on that.
Oh yeah.
What?
Oh.
I can't wait to get changed.
Live some life.
Yeah. Like I told him, don't be an old man. If not, I'll be the one to like just enjoy.
Alright, I won't drink
enjoy
anything
myself.
then. I won't drink anything then.
Please. He will say, even if he doesn't drink, he's gonna go to bed. But this is too lovely for us to be going to bed at like 7. Alright? You can at least try and stay up till like 10.
10?
Yeah.
Yeah, over here look nice on you though. Looks nice on you in your dress.
Come here twice a year.
Ah!
Oh, is that all part of it? Properly.
Oh yeah.
Couples one-on-one time, recommend the bungalow suites. They are, sorry, this is
Yeah, them places are wicked, man.
for sure.
What's going on?
Prosecco time. So this is our welcome home package.
This place wicked from what you can see. Woo! Champagne popping, I go give them headache. Yeah, I'll get headache for sure if you're not gonna eat first.
Yeah,
We're gonna get headache for sure.
that's for sure.
So when we got to the hotel, they said to us, don't leave the island. They want us to relax,
Yes.
have the best time ever. Don't leave the island.
So
Stay
we
on the
plan to
island
do
and they gave us a phone, a personal phone.
So you get a phone,
we can
so you
call.
can contact your butler, anything you need, food, whatever it is. There's also a bar on this island and a Thai restaurant, he had said.
See,
So-
him name their top and pronounce it. Francois and Akeem. Yeah, so we just dial that number and we will get, we don't have to leave the island, which is awesome, guys. I wish 2020 did look like this. Well, not
Like this,
not like this,
like
but
this.
like this.
Alright, lyrics.
Yeah, guys, so we're gonna have fun this weekend. I'm trying to promise not to fall asleep. You know what I mean?
But in order for us, no, there's activities by just to get on the boat. There's stuff to do. The thing is, if we stay in one spot,
Remember that if my body is accustomed to falling asleep at 7:30 because of training, so I have to fight. Let's take a video right here. Let's take a video. Right. Oh gosh, oh gosh.
amazing. So anyways, we can't fall asleep early. I know your body's accustomed, but there's stuff to do.
Yeah, I was asleep right here on the floor. You asleep with me right on the floor?
No. No.
Yeah, just let us sleep on the floor.
No, right now I'm about to go change into my
Yeah, guys, change on the bathing suit. You know. Yeah, she have one shot, so don't try to look on dark. There's nothing to see.
Cheers to a fabulous weekend
Thank you.
with my booski.
Woo! I hope I don't get a headache, you know, because we haven't
You have
eaten.
to drink water.
We haven't eaten all day. We're too excited to get here, so we just fly out of the yard. I didn't even go to training. Don't tell nobody. Yeah, guys, we're just enjoying the weekend. Let's say Alicia had no idea about this trip.
No, I really didn't.
No idea about this trip. You know, so it's a surprise trip for her. She always been wanting to come here. You know, I called Adam Stewart Big up Adam, respect for hooking us up with
Accommodations.
accommodation, this awesome place. Wicked. So yeah, hope Alicia, hope you enjoy it, you know.
I am. That's why I said you can't go to bed early.
Let me video. Watch your pose like a picture. What's up, mommy?
So enjoy the weekend, as you can tell.
Mommy Alicia.
Yeah, that's me.
You look nice, babe.
Thank you, babe. You have great taste. You have great taste.
Oh, is that the one?
Yeah. My bae got it for me. Have you met him?
Your husband buy that for you?
Yeah, have you met him? I was checking you out, by the way, in your shorts. You look, your swim shorts. Proper.
Swim shorts look shot. Come and say you're looking at the white chair.
Make sure you don't fall.
Let me jump off. That's how you're going now. Just chilling. Looking off. Looking off. Yo, me bad for the videographer, you know. You see? Me just go so and just shoot off.
This is amazing.
Yeah, man, this place wicked, guys. You know, it's not even any bragging or anything or anything like that. It's just, you know, we feel like real tourists.
For real. I feel like I was just saying that. It's like Maldives in Jamaica.
Yeah. I mean, this, babe, waiting. This can be our honeymoon.
No.
Huh?
Our honeymoon can't be for one night.
Yeah, guys, so we're staying one night because of my lame practice, lame training.
Yeah, so if it was honeymoon, we would have to at least do like 5 days.
Yeah, so I skipped training this morning so that we can get here. I couldn't skip training yesterday.
Yeah.
Well, even if I wanted to do anything.
Oh,
yesterday, rain, oh gosh, the rain yesterday was ridiculous. Babe, go on that, let me see. You can, remember you're a swimmer, you know. You're a big swimmer. Go down there, so let me see. Oh, go on.
Lay down.
The mesh thing.
Just chill.
You look wicked.
Time for some lunch. I'm starving. Look at this. A whole
Lunchtime.
buffet. Yum, yum, yum.
Yeah, guys, we don't have to leave the room, like we said.
Not
And we don't plan to. Well, we're gonna do a little tour on the island. We don't have to leave the island itself to go back to the main hotel.
No.
So yeah, this is lunch.
Yum.
I know I see some lobster and some
Yeah, we have a little buffet going
crab
on
bun,
here, so
shrimp.
we're going to try everything.
Oh, that's something, yeah. A shrimp thing, yeah. This. Yeah, no cool. Good. Oh, mad.
We have half the burger.
What's that?
This is a salad.
Oh, burger again. Let's see what's under here. Remove that one. Oh, maybe another chicken thing. Oh, jerk chicken. Ooh, yummy. You can eat all of this?
Wicked.
Can you eat all of this?
We'll see.
Merciful. When you see this plate again, it will be empty. Because of this lady over here. You're dangerous, huh? You're dangerous, huh? My God. Honestly, guys, this is way too much food.
But so good.
I'm trying. This
Like,
is crab.
Delicious.
Crab, shrimp. That one are kind of cold. I don't really like it that much. Jerk chicken, sweet potato, plantain, festival.
The food is really good.
Burger. Yeah,
Salad.
mash up. I had all of my burger. This one with this shrimp, I like this shrimp better. One is not so cold. But yeah, guys, this is way too much food. So yeah, maybe I can leave some for the birds. Or well, Alicia might eat alright. So she dance. You having a party in your mouth. Party in your mouth. Come in, bird. Iceberg. Iceberg drink. Come in, bird.
I think the rain is gonna be coming on Tuesday.
Oh.
What time do you guys wanna go over to do a tour?
Well, what we were gonna do now is take a walk over the island to look. To make a.
Yeah, then we could always just do the tour like when the rain kind of comes down. But still,
Yeah, man, rain
we
come
can come
down.
back next like 30 minutes.
30 minutes time? Alright.
Yeah, man.
Alright. You guys finished eating?
Yes.
No, you finished, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, man, we're done.
Alright, Susie, let me show you here. Let me give you a tour. Look.
Oh my goodness,
In Jamaica.
We're talking to Miss Upton
You
King.
can't come and be in our conversation like that.
Hey, Susie.
He's doing YouTube.
welcome to my channel.
Yeah, so there you go.
I'm trying to convince her to come from all the way from London to Jamaica. So. Right.
Come in, Susie, forward.
He left the room.
Yeah, guys, we're going to roam about, explore the place, and see what's up.
Yes.
I mean, feel like we're on another island. Well, we are, but we're still in Jamaica. Where's the bar? Oh, the bar over there.
There.
So that guy go to some bush. Yeah. Go and go. Urinate and come back. Come on, probably run us. Come run us. Come find it, run us. You guys look like the
I'm on
rain.
the wrong side.
Looks like the rain about to fall, but
Yeah.
that can't stop it.
We're still going to have a good weekend,
Yeah, man.
right?
We're still gonna have a good weekend, you know. So,
Oh, we should have brought the phone.
we're just checking out the place right now. We're not leaving the island. We're venturing off on the island.
Yeah.
Apu Island.
Or,
It's my island. It's my island. Feel like it's my island. Look at jerk spot. Also jerk spot where you got it. The man just gone. This one's a little sitting on the stage. I guess they normally put probably tables on this. And you can sit down and have dinner.
the water right here was so deep.
Probably that's why the island, they could have built the island over here. Probably travel over
When
here.
it gets further out there, then
So again, somebody say I look like a surfer.
And today you don't have your mask.
I don't have a mask on.
I
So
would
they say, yo, you know who you look like?
He said
Mr.
identical.
Who? I saw. So the rain is coming, guys. So we're gonna go back to our what do you call it? What do you call it?
Bungalow.
Bungalow. Going back to our bungalow.
Chill out.
Bonga. Go back to our bungalow and
Hang out.
maybe go in the water. Because we have the water right at our doorstep. You know, we don't need to walk. We have the bar in our room.
True, that's true too.
Why did we even-
I don't know why.
Why did we
No,
just...
we wanted to show you
Enough,
guys.
we're enough.
No, and we wanted to show you guys the place.
Yeah, well,
Oh,
we
there
was...
you are.
Oh, yeah.
I was just saying that, we have to go back because you're supposed to be coming to give us the tour.
Yeah, when the rain done.
Really?
Hungry?
You
No,
excited for your dinner?
really.
I think you're hungry.
No, really. I had a big blood.
Is that a
What I'm doing is yawning. Yawning. Hear me, I say. Zin, after this, I'm going to be wide awake. Believe me. Yo. After me eat my rundown, when you run down shrimp, run down shrimp.
You're gonna be running up and down.
Yeah, man. Oh gosh, man. I go to say in the rain. Me I run up and down in the rain like yo, like me at the rain dance.
That's a lie. That means I might just sleep in bed for a bit.
No, man.
Come in, let's just cuddle for 2 seconds.
Man.
I think we can agree with the fact that we're not gonna go to the club, so we will just do like the pub.
I don't agree to nothing with us. We go freestyle. So it's a pub, anything I want, baby.
That's a lie.
Yeah, man. If you want to drive, go in a Montego Bay City, go see where the club are going with. We do that right now. Curfew start, don't. Curfew starts, so we wouldn't be able to do nothing. So. Francois?
Yes, that's his name.
Francois gone get their food. Guys, we're having dinner inside because the rain is falling. So dinner inside, right? Beautiful. Yeah. So top boss Francois. That's the dinner, you see me? Yeah. That's cool, man. Yeah, them see, water, stay hydrated. Stay hydrated.
Have you been hydrated? Have you been hydrated?
I have been hydrating. I think so. Dinner is going to be late, you know. Going to be late. So, what do you think about from here to there?
That's cancelled.
Hmm?
You're cancelled.
Cancel? Wow.
You know I can share this. This is because
Yeah.
What is
That's the
this something.
appetizer?
Yeah.
Oh.
It's something.
Once it cook, no work it.
Once it's good.
Yeah. It's actually nice now. Oh,
The
good.
beef one too.
So from here to there. No?
I'm not laughing because I know that might happen with you.
Guys, things just got real.
Serious dinner day?
I don't like them turn off. Serious dinner date are going on.
It's true with the meal.
Right, like
Meal was good.
Yeah, it was great.
Even though you never ordered.
I wonder if I wonder if something wrong with the food and you know what we see. Pray that.
No cheats. No
You cleaned that plate. You cleaned it up.
What?
That's your rundown.
It's a rundown.
Yeah.
Okay, I walk. It's a walk. The rundown they look like it's a walk. Yeah, Escovitch.
You like spice, right?
Yeah, I love spice.
Spice?
Alright.
The artist? Me like the Spice, the artist.
Run on, man. Try to teach you how to do the dance.
Oh. Yeah, alright. Escovitch. Run and walk down. Walk down, me I can't no car.
Run down.
You see, no,
You know.
we used to the type of rundown. You know the rundown where, yeah, people, you don't know where I talk. Yeah.
I mean,
But we see where this is going. Alright, we see where it's going with still.
Alright, big boss.
You gonna try your food and tell me.
Don't worry, I'm gonna enjoy mine. You're
see
hating.
it a rundown like yo, a 3 fork there something I know which one to use. So I take up a fork.
You need to give him etiquette lessons.
Yeah.
He says there's 3 forks here. He doesn't know which one to use.
You know what I'm use, man.
Run down here, bye man. Yeah man.
good?
Yeah man.
You run on good.
Yeah man, it a play, it a ramp. Yeah man, it tastes good, it tastes real good.
My escapade?
So shrimp rundown, it a go on. It actually tastes like rundown. It a go on good.
You want to ask about mine?
Oh, this go be taste.
Lid.
Lady. Let me tell you.
You're not eating with the spices.
The extra beach fish bad. Yeah man, food are bad man. Yeah guys. Surprisingly the shrimp rundown
So it's running
tastes
now.
wicked.
It's not walking?
It run, it pick up speed Fred. Pick up speed and this is what? What's the name?
Pad Thai.
Shrimp
Pad Thai.
Shrimp what?
Shrimp Pad Thai.
Pad Thai.
With Thai food.
Pad Thai.
Pad.
Pad. A pad business there. But yeah man. The food lit. I have to turn on the light on my phone because the darkness with the light. Man turn on the light yeah. And turn on this light. Let me show you how the light look. Yeah guys, this is how the light look.
Romantic dinner.
I can't see if me eat really.
Set the mood for my baby girl.
Oh, so this is a romantic light.
Set the mood for my daughter.
You have that, huh?
In the making.
Nah, oven.
Nothing's baking yet.
Bacon.
Food is delicious though.
Yeah
All
guys,
jokes
I don't know if this is the baby making food. But
Food
yeah,
is
this is
great.
the mood. This is the light. This is the lighting. So I don't know if Francois is setting us up.
Who's setting us up? Big setup.
Big time. See light there? I don't know. I can't even see my wife to rock stone. Yo, show me the wine again. Let me see the wine. It's like you smell the wine if it stink. Well, it smell if it stink. It tastes like.
My lord.
Tastes like. Perfect. So yeah, smell if it stink.
When you go to wine tasting, that's what you do.
I think you check if it stink. You know, like you smell your mouth. You go and put your hand in front of your mouth and smell it. Oh, guys. Hey guys, this is. Huh?
Where?
Oh, man, I check it out. I said open, just recently opened back. Yeah, in Kingston. The drive-thru theater. Open back in the town.
I didn't even know that was
Yeah. Yeah, guys, so this is Aki cheesecake. Aki cheesecake, and you know that.
Chocolate lava cake.
That does look dark.
Chocolate lava cake.
Yeah, and ice cream.
With ice cream.
Oh, zin. And I go say how that Aki cheese something else tastes good. So what I going with Aki cheesecake. Hold on, so the Aki does step on top. Alright, the Aki mix up in it.
Give me the
What is on
Let
top
me
is
record
actually
it.
coconut. Macaron.
Oh, this?
Yeah.
Oh, a coconut thing.
Macaron, yeah.
Oh.
So how is it?
No man, this tastes lit, man. I don't even taste the Aki.
But hold on, there's a big piece of Aki right here, so try that.
Where?
Right there.
Oh, Aki that. Hmm?
Yeah.
That man just bad, man.
Really?
That's lit.
Alright. I can't wait to try mine.
Try yours, cause you're not trying mine.
Yum, yum.
Alright, chocolate one?
Chocolate lover.
Go on, man. Man, Aki cheesecake. Tastes good. So we're gonna go for a walk and then come back and lay down and chill.
And then sleep.
Sleeping is a must. If we don't sleep, we can't recover for tomorrow. So yeah, we put on my shoes.
Sleeping is a must.
Yeah.
You're saying like sleep, come now. Come now.
We put on my shoes. And we can go walk. Then we come back.
And I get the freedom to sleep.
The bed does a look at me. Yo, the bed staring at me. Bed like, yo guys, yo guys, it's about that time. What are you gonna do? So you wanna sleep? What do you wanna do?
Just come in the bed.
Just come in the bed. I'm ready.
You really wanna be that person?
Man, oh man.
Alright, let's go for a walk and then come chill, watch a movie.
Alright.
And sleep.
Alright, let's do that. Tomorrow we're gonna do what? Some water sports?
Before we leave?
Yeah, we're gonna do some water sports tomorrow, so more reason for us to rest. Alright? Some water sports before we leave. Yeah, music the way over so.
Guys, being dramatic.
Music the way over so.
That far.
Alicia wanted to call the boat to come get us, to take us over. Yeah, my just go swim. Like, there's so much water around.
No, you know that you don't want to swim right now.
Anyway, this is nice. I like this. This is such a lovely walk. This is such a lovely walk, babe. OMG. Oh my gosh.
Oh Lord.
This is a lovely walk.
Very lovely.
Oh gosh. It's this way, no? This way, babe.
Isn't it that way?
No, babe, come on. You have no sense of direction. I do.
Oh yeah, it is this way.
Yeah.
I was going where the music was playing.
Babe, you can't reach where the music playing without the boat.
You want to swim? You said you want to swim. Why don't we go for a swim so we can swim to the music?
So guys, it's the next day and we had so many plans for today. Water sports, one whole heap of things, but the rain messing up our flex. The rain has been falling all night, all morning. We woke up at like 3 and couldn't go back to sleep.
Too much excitement.
Too much excitement going on in our brains, you know. But yeah, the rain is falling. Let me show you. There you go. It's not falling, but you see how the place looks. You see how it looks. It's not ideal for water sports or for any kind of water place. Very gloomy. So I don't know. We're gonna see what happens. You know, we're just gonna watch it a bit and see. Yeah, maybe we'll find some stuff on the property to do because it's a very big property. We're out on the bungalows and you have the hotel section over there where they had a lot of activities. Last night we heard music playing. They said that there's a club over there and Alicia wanted to go to the club last night, but the rain didn't allow us to. Or was it me? I don't know. But yeah guys, that's the hotel all the way over there. All the way over there, and it goes all the way back to the other side. So we are way at sea. Yeah, so let's watch the day and see what happens. So somebody has a photo shoot today. Guess who's the photographer?
Not a photo shoot.
Well, it's not a photo shoot, but she has to take some digitals for her work to send off.
The client.
Mm-hmm. You still look good, man.
This is not makeup.
You still look good.
I'm using my lip balm, Elizabeth Arden, just highlighting my features. That's it.
Your work don't have to worry, because they never mash you up. So they don't have to worry if you still look good. You still look nice and beautiful.
Oh, thank you.
Mm-hmm.
Just want to make sure I'm a size 2. That's it.
I mean, never mash up. But you're a size 2?
Mm-hmm. What am I? don't even know what I am anymore. What am I?
People should less than size 2.
I lost that much weight? I lost that much weight?
I feel so.
Well, work weight, people.
I know you're extra small.
Work weight.
I know you're extra
But
small.
they just want to know that I'm the measurements I'm supposed to be for work.
Okay.
And like,
Okay.
skin looks good and all of that, that's it. So then I can start making the paper.
So I'm going to warm up to take these pictures because outside kind of wet. I'm gonna lie down on the wet floor and choops. I'm gonna roll over and
Wish I don't forget my
the necklace.
Yeah.
Okay, so picture time.
So done my digitals. Hubby did an amazing job. I wish I could have. He's bomb photographer. Maybe you guys can see like that after product. So I wish I could have showed you guys what and how the process went, but rain, so we're gonna just relax. We had a blast yesterday. Okay, so it was a great getaway. Lovely bungalow. Look here, look, raining. It's a gloomy day, but it was a beautiful experience. And like I was saying,
Green mushroom.
but it was really beautiful to just wake up to an ocean view. Just really.
Yeah, it's good to wake up to this.
So Prosecco makes some midnight sounds. Yeah, but we had a great time. So definitely next time, hopefully we can actually get to do more water sports and adventure out more and stay for 2 nights rather. So hopefully we'll plan accordingly to when Mr. Man's schedule works. Apple Man, why do you chew like that though? Like why?
This look like this.
Why?
Well, your food nice.
What are you doing?
We'll be there, y'all. Take a picture.
Selfie? How come the light looks so different on your phone? I definitely need to upgrade my phone because, oh wait.
Do you remember we're going to get the 12? I don't know. This is some magic horse line. Yeah, guys, breakfast is served. Ackee and saltfish, fried dumpling, French toast, and all that.
Yogurt.
And that man water. I'm having water. All I've been drinking is water since I've been down here. What?
Grey Goose must have turned into water.
Grey who? What color it up?
White? Clear?
Even though the rain falling and stuff, I'm gonna go chill. No, I'm not going to water, just gonna go down here and yeah. Or I should just come up here so I come take a shower and just look out. Yeah, just come lie down on the float here and chill out. It's a good chill spot. Isha, it's raining.
It's supposed to be like this all day.
Yeah, it's gonna be like this all day. I hope the road not flooded because the car low. Hope it's not flooding. Very beautiful. Yeah, guys. So that's a wrap.
It's raining
Yeah,
and all.
Raining very bad. Very
Hopefully
bad.
we can get home safely and all. But it was a great weekend.
Yeah.
Thanks, babe,
was-
for
it was.
our surprise. It was definitely needed. We needed time away from kids and just to have our time.
Yeah.
Like Eva says, you guys need to still date each other. Act like, you know, you're just meeting each other. Give yourself fake names.
We don't have to do that.
No,
I'm
but
still
she's
excited to see every day. So
Yeah.
we don't
But
have
she's
to.
just teasing us.
Yeah, we don't have to go
Like,
through all of
we
that
should
stress to
just do
give
that.
each other names. And
No, we
stuff
just
like
need
that.
to couples make sure you take time for yourself. It's needed.
We don't reach that stage.
But it's needed one-on-one to just keep things
Yeah.
freshen up.
But yeah, guys,
It was
it
great.
was a good weekend. We didn't get to do everything we wanted to, but we still had fun.
Yeah.
Yo, we're having a party in the room.
Just us.
We didn't get to video that. We're having a serious party. in the
Dance
room.
off.
Dance off. Yeah, guys, so you know, until the next video, you know, this was a great weekend, you know, fabulous resort.
Yes, and
you know, we
fabulous
definitely-
staff. Literally exceptional.
Yeah, we definitely will come back here.
Yes.
Definitely, we are going to come back here.
Yes. They're
So-
exceptional. All your needs, they take care of you. Like you're literally home away from home. So see you later. We hope you like this video. We hope you take a nice vacation after seeing this video. So this is what we're driving back home in. We say the weather is horrible. It's horrible. How do you feel?
Very focused. I feel very focused right now.
Look at this. See the fog? That's why we should have stayed an extra night.